Are you in the market for a new shower enclosure? You're in luck. There are a number of great options available, and we've compiled a list of the top 5 best shower enclosures. So whether you're looking for a traditional shower enclosure or something a little more unique, we've got you covered. So let's get started. List 1. Elegant Corner Shower Enclosure Sliding Door. The Elegant Corner Shower Enclosure is a contemporary shower enclosure which includes sliding glass door, shower body, and rail. With framed rough finish, 1 and 4-inch clear tempered safety glass, plastic wall reinforcement, and waterproof seal strips. Frameless shower enclosure is elegant, perfect for a bath or shower where you want to maximize the view of your new space. This frameless shower enclosure is designed to make a statement in your bathroom with all of its generous space and minimalist, clean design. The glass panels are all clear, so you can see right through it, giving you an unobstructed view of your bathroom and whatever you have stored inside. With its easy cleaning, this compact version provides plenty of storage space while still being efficient, allowing you to fit more in this small space over traditional frame tubs. List number: Sunny Shower Corner Shower Enclosure. Our shower doors use new technology, and we have engineered a better way to avoid the expensive costs of replacing doors. Stainless steel hinges and built-in rubber gaskets make this product sturdy, safe, and easy to install. The Sunny Shower Corner Shower Enclosure is a beautiful and functional addition that will enhance any bath or shower space. It features a series of truly unique features to make your bathroom or shower more functional, delightful, and satisfying. The double sliding glass panels are frameless, and frameless square shape makes it more sturdy and stable. This product is making a better performance for your bathroom using water resistance materials such as PVC and ABS. The Sun Shower Corner Shower Enclosure has 36 in both width and height dimension, which can let you decide the best position for installation by yourself. The corners of a bathtub certainly make every room look bigger. List 3. Basco 3544 SCL Classic Sliding Shower Enclosure. The Basco Classic 3544 SCL Sliding Shower Enclosure will provide a beautiful and functional way to open your shower door, or create a shower that is completely enclosed. The header area is traditionally shaped to match seamless corners and coordinates with any tub-style design you choose, knowing how it will look from both sides of your bathtub. This traditional shaped slide door enclosure provides an elegant and flowing look to your shower area and will allow you to customize the walk-through space accordingly. The door sits flush with the edges of your enclosure even when it's open, making it ideal for use in small bathrooms where space is at a premium. The clear glass panels provide a bright and transparent view, while the size of this unit allows for some out-of-plumb wall conditions. This unit is sure to please any homeowner who wants a high-quality slider door that doesn't compromise on looks or functionality. List number: Dreamline Shen 09 Shower Enclosure. The Dreamline Shen 09 Shower Enclosure features the patented reversible swing door design and premium 304 stainless steel hardware. This space-saving design is perfect for a walk-in shower area in your basement or garage, or anywhere that you need a larger size enclosure. The Dreamline Shen 09 Shower Enclosure features heavy-gauge walls and a wide doorway for easy installation. Hardware is finished in satin black for a premium look and feel. Its anodized aluminum wall profiles allow up to 1 and 2 inches in adjustment per side for out-of-plumb, and the shower's glass door has been certified clear tempered. This shower enclosure is finished with a satin black hardware to enhance its function and appearance. The corner view has a straight edge style that provides a comfortable showering space. This Dreamline provides an ideal solution for your bathroom remodel, thanks to the unique design that gives the shower area maximum exposure. List number: Elegant Double Sliding Glass Shower Enclosure. The Dreamline Corner View Sliding Shower Enclosure provides a modern solution to maximize the shower space in your bathroom. It has a straight edge style that maximizes the showering space in your bathroom, so you can enjoy your spa time even more. The straight and elegant design is made for comfort with a stylish appearance that will complement any decor. Corner view also includes an optional waterproof coating, which keeps the door clean even in the harshest of conditions. Handmade polish and durable inner rollers and solid stainless steel track rail make smoothly and quietly. Prime quality aluminum hardware material. The corner view sliding shower enclosure provides a modern solution that maximizes your shower space with a corner installation and center opening design.